Today, let's use two methods to prove the inequality. The first method, x to the power of 16 minus x plus 1 can be written as x to the power of 16 minus x to the power of 8, then plus x to the power of 8. Then minus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4. Then minus x squared and then plus x squared. Finally, minus x. But break 1 to 4 quarters. So we get 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Now we group them. The first group, x to the power of 16 minus x to the power of 8 plus 1 quarter. The second group, x to the power of 8 minus x to the power of 4 and then plus a quarter. The next group, x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 minus x squared and then plus 1 quarter. Finally, x squared minus x plus a quarter. You see, each group is a perfect square. So we get x to the power of a minus half squared. The second, x to the power of 4 minus half squared. The third, x squared minus half squared. The last one, x minus half squared. You know, each term should be non-negative, but they cannot be 0 at the same time. For example, the last term only when x equals half, it equals 0. But this term would be positive. Anyway, greater than 0. Let's look at second method. We consider two cases. Case 1, if x is greater than or equal to 1, then x to the power of 14 should be greater than or equal to 1. Both sides times x squared. So get x to the power of 16 greater than or equal to x squared. So x to the power of 16 minus x plus 1 greater than or equal to x squared minus x plus 1. We can write as x squared minus x plus a quarter and then plus 3 quarters. You see, the first return is a perfect square, x minus half square, and then plus 3 over 4. Of course, greater than 0. The other case, if x less than 1, then negative x plus 1, or you can write as 1 minus x greater than 0. But we know x to the power of 16 equals x to the power of 8 squared, non-negative. So x to the power of 16 minus x plus 1, this term greater than equals 0, and this term greater than 0. So greater than 0. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.